Hey folks, Father Sampatik from CGVirus here. Today we're going to see an update on our tension map generator. So previously on our tension map generator we had to duplicate Respose and then apply it to create the tension maps. But from Blender 4.1 we can use the big geometry technology and we can use it to create the tension maps. So we have updated the tool a little bit and we're going to demo it now with a character animation pipeline. So let's see. Alright, so you can download the node from here. The link will be in the description. Go to the 4.1 above and there is our tension map blend. Just download it here. Here we go. And done. Let's see. Okay, so this is the node, so let's get started. So I already have the scene, our previous character creator scene here. So let's review some of the stuff here. So this is the head shadow. Okay, a normal principal BSDF. It has a skin diffuse. It has a AO. Here we go, AO. And the diffuse, we're multiplying it and we're applying it as base color. Okay, and this is the roughness, simple roughness. All right, here we go, the roughness, and we also have a normal map. Okay, so let's see the normal map here. Okay, so this is the head NB map. So it should look like this. There we go. And this is the micro normal. This should look like this. And we're connecting it these two with overlay, and then connecting it to normal map, and then in the BSDF. So these are the basic two. Okay, so this one, these micro normal. Let's see. There you go. So it will give us some detail, and this is the another one, the NB map. Okay, so these are two. Now we have our, these are the wrinkle normals. So if I just connect it here instead of those, you can see these are our wrinkle normals we have. Okay, there you go, wrinkle normals. Okay, so now we need to just connect them. Okay, so let's go here, and yeah, we will connect it later. So let's see. All right, let's connect it. So just go for an overlay. Okay, and where does it come from? Okay, let's see. You should go to mix RGB, mix color. There we go, and yeah, it should be overlay. There we go. Clamp factor, no problem. Let's just connect it here. Okay, so you can see. There we go. All right. So people asked some question like, can we use cycle? Yes, you can use cycle. Why not? There we go. This is the cycle. All right. Can we use EV? Yes, you can use EV. All right, no problem. I think the skin shadow is sometimes becomes very creative, so that's why people get some confusion and everything. But keep it simple and you will be all right. Less is more. Anyway, so let's go to the geometry node now and let's just apply those things. Okay, first thing first is basically let's connect a geometry node. So here we go, add modifier and geometry node. There we go. Let's create a new. There we go. And now let's append the geometry node. Plus F4 append. I'm going for the desktop version. There we go. Tension map with blah blah blah. Node tree. The node tree tension map. Okay. There we go. So let's search for tension map. There we go. So this is the new interface. There is a Respose with back and everything, so we will work on it. Let's connect the outs here. let's input the ins here. Simple stuff. Here we go. Done. So now let's talk about the Respose bake. Okay, first of all we need to save it. I'm going to save it like mandate or whatever, mandate 1. Okay, so you can see that this is the Respose we already have. So if I go to the pose mode, press Alt R, Alt S, Alt G, this is the already in pose mode. And also all the expressions we have in the face expression, that is in shape keys, all are zeroed out, right? Nothing else. Okay, so it is already in Respose. So let's go to 0 or 1 or whatever. Let's go to 0 and let's search for bake. Here we go, and we need to bake one steel here. So this is our geometry, right? This is the body we have, so it should be the geometry. And let's bake the frame number 0. Okay, just bake it. There we go. You need to save it first, okay, then bake it. Then let's just connect it to the geometry node, Respose bake. So now we don't need to duplicate it and everything. We can just bake it here. Okay, bake from 0. All right, let's save it. Why I am using 0? Usually the 0 should have all of our Respose and everything. So yeah, if you have animation and everything, just go to 0 and make it. You have to make everything zeroed out first. Okay, if you have animation, then go to 0 and make everything zeroed out first. Okay, you need to make it 0, otherwise it will not work. Okay, so what it is doing is basically it is baking a Resposed geometry here. Okay, so then we can compare it with our animation and everything. Yeah, here we go. So let's go to this guy, geometry. We have fall off, stretch, compress, weight, and there are some attributes. So let's just name them tense or tabs, whatever. Tense, compress, maybe comp, stress, something like that. Okay, so now if you want to see it, you know the drill. So let's go to the head. There we go. Let's create an attribute, and let's copy these names. So tense, Control C, Control V, tense. There we go. So now we are seeing nothing because we have not done anything. So let's go to somewhere, and let's actually animate some stuff here as well. So let's go to 20, and let's give it there you go. Yeah, let's give it some happy face. Yeah, let's go to smile, mouth, smile. Let's give it eye. Oh, eye, mouth, smile, right, eye. So let's go some frame 30, and let's give it 1 eye, and this one eye. Here we go. So let's see the tense. Here we go, tense. So some of our folks also asked about parameters and everything. Okay, so this is the fall off. All right, you can use this fall off to drive your parameters. Okay, and there is stretch area. Okay, how much area should be stretched? You can minimize it as well. Okay, and there is also compress area. You can minimize and maximize it here as well. Also there is weight limit. Okay, so yeah, simple. Let's create other attributes as well. So 3 attributes. So this is the comp, Control C, Control V, compress, stress, Control C, Control yeah. So this is the compress area, this is the stress area. There we go. So everything is fine. And okay, so now if we want to we want to mask it out as well. So which one we should use? Well, the compress area should be used here. yeah, human skin is when it is compressed, then it should have some wrinkle and stuff. So let's just use the comp here, and let's go here. Okay, so this was the normal, I mean the skin head normal. If you want to see, yeah, this one. So just just use the color here. There you go. Now it will mask your stuff as well. So if you disable it, there you go, enable it, disable it, enable it, disable it, enable it. Okay, all right. So if you want to intense it, you can intensify it. You can use fall off sharply, but it will clamp it. So you can actually minimize it and maximize it and something like that. Okay, so yeah, something like that. And yeah, what else? So let's play with it a little bit. So this is the mouse, I mean mouth. Let's go to eye, blink, eye wide, eye squint. Yeah, eye squint could be one. So let's go I and K, Y. Okay, anyway, so something like that. So let's go here, I, something like that. Okay, squinting. There you go. We can also zero out some of this stuff as well. So let's go to smile, and let's go zero. I, and here we go. What is wrong with guys? Yeah, right. So yeah, there you go. So this is your animation. Okay, so if you want to see it very clearly, we can use the compress or tense. Yeah, tense. Let's use tense, and let's multiply it with this. Okay, just to see our stuff clearly. Okay, what is happening and what's not. Okay, here we go. That's all. All right, there we go. And what we have, frown or something, mouth frown, not frown. Let me see. Yeah, brow rise. So let's go brow. Brow rise, inner, outer, inner, left. Here we go. Yeah, brow drop. Okay, so let's do it as well. There we go. So let's go for eye, and let's go to somewhere here. Give it one eye, and give it one eye. There we go. So yeah, it is. All right, it's done. Okay, simple. Now let's see the body part as well. So let's go to this shadow, and this is the skin body. Everything should be same. Let's just create an attribute. I just want to show you the stuff we are doing here. So this is the tense, so let's copy, Ctrl V, and let's see the color. Oh, not body part, sorry, not this one. Let's see which one. Skin arm 001. Yeah, skin arm 001. Okay, so let's just use tensor. There we go. Okay, so as we were saying, if you go to the pose mode now, there we go. So something is stressing, something not stressing, and yeah, there we go. Oops. There we go. Okay, done. So that's how it's working. Yeah. Skin. Stand off. There we go. And if you want to manage it a little bit, you can do it like this. Compass area. So suppose compass area, something like that. Okay, there we go. It's much more manageable. There we go. There we go. All right. Here we go. All right. So that's it. I'm Father Sampati from Procedural here. We're going to see you next time. Bye bye.